In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover deleted Gmail account. Full guide. To begin, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to the Google sign-in page for Gmail account access. You will see a field asking for an email address or phone. Here, enter the email address for the Gmail account that was deleted. Then select Next. Take your time to type it carefully, because even a small spelling mistake can stop the recovery process from matching the correct account. After you click Next, Google will prompt you to verify that you own the account. One of the first options you may see is to enter a password. In the password field, type the last password you remember using for that account. This part is important. Google often checks whether the password you provide matches what was used previously, so the most recent password you can remember is usually the best choice. If you are not fully sure, enter the closest one you can recall. If you cannot remember the password, or if the password you enter does not work, look for the option that lets you try another way to sign in or verify your identity. Choose that option to continue with other available methods. Next, select Passkey when it appears as a sign-in option. A passkey is a secure sign-in method that uses your phone or device confirmation instead of typing a password. When you choose Passkey, Google will display a code on the screen, usually in the form of a QR code. Now take your phone and open the camera or the passkey scanner method that your device uses for signing in. Scan the code shown on the screen using your phone. Follow the prompts on your phone to approve the sign-in. This may include confirming with a screen lock method such as a fingerprint, face unlock, or device PIN depending on how your phone is set up. Once the scan is accepted and the passkey is confirmed, Google will continue the recovery process and sign you in if the account is eligible for restoration. Move slowly through each screen and confirm the details carefully, because skipping prompts can interrupt the recovery flow. That covers everything you need to know.